So yeah, we bought a house and we're gonna renovate it today. We're gonna be showing you the trash out and getting all the junk out of here so we can get a better look at the house. It's a 2-bedroom, approximately 880 square feet. And so today we're just gonna trash it out, guys. Thanks for checking us out. If you like the videos, hit that like, hit that subscribe down below, and keep checking out the channel, guys. We're gonna be going through this whole process. We're gonna be try to put up a video every week. I might be a little busy here and there, so sometimes it might be every other week, but stay tuned. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. See you guys. Thanks.
Come here, we gotta go eat.
Ready?
Go to the zoo. You don't want to eat?
We bought a house, guys. Just waiting on our partner to come so we can walk it. I've already walked it. They haven't walked it. This will be the first time that they see everything inside. And we'll be renovating it, and I will be putting everything on here for you guys to see. So alright, guys, so I've already been in here measuring. Say hello, guys. First time in.
Hi.
A reaction.
You've already seen it?
I've already been in there.
Okay.
Yeah. I already measured and
What is this room?
this is the back like living area. This is that laundry room that I told you guys that we thought it was a garage, and it ends up being like a completely extra room. Huh? We can move that.
What's
freezer.
in there?
Bunch of trash.
Oh, he was in jail.
Who was in jail?
The owner, there's jail pictures.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Come here. Toilet?
Hey, you have to buy a new one.
Huh?
Just kidding. So,
The hot water heater looks good.
yeah, the hot water heater looks good. The AC unit outside looks good.
Expensive stuff.
All the expensive stuff, yeah. And here, I mean, looks nasty because it's, hasn't been lived in. But
Yeah.
it's not like, I don't see water damage. I don't see smoke damage. These floors can be resanded. Windows, I was thinking some of them.
People like put mirrors in them and paint them gold. The closet's a good size.
Yeah, the closets are, I thought it had no closets when I looked. But the plan is hopefully to be able to get a dumpster either tomorrow or Monday. Everything trashed out, be able to see more.
Yeah.
And then this is the room that I was talking about. Possibly moving this door right here.
To make. You scared?
But the bathroom we knew was a complete,
Oh, the gas line? Probably need to cut those.
in some parts.
It's a really deep.
I think that, what?
What were you talking about the top part?
Right there, that's in like an attic space upstairs.
This?
Yeah, above. Like it has little stairs and everything over there where you can walk in. Yeah. Well, it's joists and subfloor. It's not like a room. Once we get all the trash out and stuff, where the laundry stuff goes in there.
I like right here.
Which originally I thought it was over here, but then I see that it has these gas pipes.
This is a big room.
So that could be like extra I don't know, a gym or something. Tell us at a room, but what do you think? Scared?
No. It's not as fast as I thought. What is it? No, it's a regular frame.
There's more here. This little thing is cool.
I mean, stuff like that that you could possibly like kind of just get rid of, like sell. That, like there's nothing wrong with it. Yeah. The bed thing in that bedroom.
So are you ready to put in some work?
Yeah, I can make my account. Some help there, specialized. Well, I wonder, is there anything in there?
I don't know. I haven't even looked in there.
It's a lot.
Is it locked? Chica, you like it? There's mice. Be careful.
Huh?
There's mice.
Mice?
Yeah. When they mowed the front, they said they saw mice going everywhere.
Oh, never mind.
There's mouses, Chica. There's mouses. Yeah, he said he mowed the front yard and like when he
like sandals on.
yeah, when he went through it, went they went everywhere.
Have you seen them there?
Yeah, that's that little space there. So it's just like 4 feet of. We got the trash out pretty much done. Left that here just to put stuff on. Put some of this old wood. Might be able to use it for something, but for the most part, got the trash out. Left that fly little picture frame. So we got the trash out, got the windows open a little bit, let some air in. Looks a lot better already. It's the pink room. Looks good. Good times. This is our bathroom where most of the fun's gonna happen. Gotta get the electrician out here. The plumber out here. Thankfully it's just one bathroom. Here's our living room. And our kitchen. So, we got that cleaned out. Got this back room cleaned out. Sure it's locked. We're gonna go grab some lunch, and then we're gonna come back and work on the yard. Alright guys, thanks for checking out the video. This week we cleaned out, trashed out the house, and we're gonna get started with the demo and getting some of the electric and plumbing done in here. So stay tuned. If you like the videos, hit that like, hit that subscribe down below, and check us out next week.